Hello and welcome everyone. This is me, Alias. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified to task professional as well as the owner of a Google Party company. And in case if you need Google Ads audit management sort of services or Google Merchant Center restoration services, you can hire me and Matting through the link in the description. And I look forward to working with you. So now let's start it on an amazing case study on how we fix the website or online store needs improvement error on Google Merchant Center, and also that we have been expertise in sorting out like pharmaceutical issues, abusive or false statement, misrepresentation. I mean, there are so many Google Merchant Center errors, and over the time we have got expertise in sorting out all these errors that we are now become one of the pioneer company to sort out. So in case if you need any help, me and my team can help you. You can hire us in the link in the description. So now let's get started. So this was a problem over here that the client had an issue. The first of all, the client was promoting in Hong Kong. You need to understand they were promoting in Hong Kong, and they said that during the review, you're requested on August 14, Google found this is to be still an issue, and they claimed that five things were over there. Like your website should have a domain name that matches the uploaded domain name. Your entire website should not have any broken links. Your website shouldn't contain any placeholder images. The product details in category should match those that you have provided in your product data. Your website shouldn't contain generic information and shouldn't miss crucial information. So indirectly what the Google is saying that the website should have any unique content. They should not be empty product pages. Product should have high quality pages, unique content, and very well optimized structured website, and there should not be any placeholders, any broken images, and the domain of the website and the what you have mentioned in the Google Merchant Center should cross match with each other. So now you can see that this was an issue through which the client assigned the query to us. And I mean, there are so many audits and so many things done that we cannot even mention it, but we can get started on how we get started on this one. So this was one of the thing when we started doing the audit. So this was what we figured out. First of all, there were 19 placeholders, which is over there, and that the placeholders can be detected through the coding of the website, and this was over there which we find out. Then we felt that the page speeds needs improvement. Over here you can see over here that the page needs to be improvement. There are few pages which suggested need to be created: disclaimer, do not sell information, cookies policies. Also, when we get any project or assignment, even for misrepresentation, what we do is we do a thorough check of everything. Is the website working fine? All the pages on the website working fine? Images are fine, content is fine, there is not any issue with backlinks, add to cart. If we add different sizes, everything is working well. If we add multiple products, we also do a thorough sample checkout procedure to see any issues. Also, sometimes what happens there are issues in footer, there are issues in the shipping policy being mentioned on the page and on the merchant center. They do not get verified. I mean, there are so many checkpoints, so we have to look around. And then you can see that these are their 409 conflict pages as well. We also what we do is we also look on the Google search console errors plus robots.txt file, and we almost make sure that we do not want to leave a single point where Google can cross question us. Also, we have a dedicated support that also helped us in getting the account restored. This was I am again being told right now that this was over there suspension which we got for this account. So just we were discussing with staff on this as well. This was another placeholder, and you can see that the 9 placeholders are still over there. And then we told them even to plugin on which plugin you have the issues. This was being done by the developer to make the procedure more easy. And after this, you can see over here that this was also an issue on the account, that the pending initial review was missing for one product, suspended account for policy violation. You can see over here as well. You can see that. Then another time came when the account was suspended, but there was no product that needed attention, and the account went to the limited time. So if I show you over here, and also this is an account which we are gotten approved yet, but the products were pending a long time in the limited phase and not being approved, not being rejected. So we were also in that period as well. So that was also some time as well which we spent it. And then we can see that this is kind of a thorough investigation discussion with Google chat support. Like, thank you for voting. I have checked your account and noticed that it has been suspended before, but now we can see that the account has been reapproved and the ads are active. As per checking here, there are no issues currently anymore. Currently, the product is on under review and the status, which may result. It takes 3 to 5 days. The account has been restarted. This was, the message which you got from the Google before the account was being restored. So yeah, this is another successful case study. I'm going to through a fresh, so you can see that this is not fake. Something you can see that this is an approved right now, and you can also cross match the GMC IDs with other IDs. So this is another successful case study where I like to appreciate my team who work consistently with Google team to ensure everything is in compliant. We have to check. We have around 140 plus step checklist where we have to ensure this point for compliance with the Google, from broken links to checkout to product images to product setting to the merchant center settings, shipping policies, about us policies, page policies, even the product payments links, even the content of the page, even the disclaimer pages, everything was being thoroughly checked, and this is how we came into the final approval of this Google Merchant Center account. So yeah, I hope you like this case study. And in case if you need help with Google Merchant Center restoration, Google Ads restoration, Google Merchant Center campaigns management, or audit optimization, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. So yeah, once again, thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Take care and bye bye.